Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going to change out the headlights in the 2007 Toyota Tundra. This still has the original factory bulbs. And I'm going to be installing the new Auxito LED bulbs. And I'm going to do a review, a side-by-side comparison. So let's get started. So let's see what's inside the box. This is the number for my 2007 Toyota Tundra. It comes with high and low beams. There's a pair of gloves in here because you don't want to touch the bulbs. Use your manual. And your bulbs. Just make sure you don't touch the bulb itself. The plug is fine. They're pretty heavy. Made of aluminum. We have a little fan on them. We'll go ahead and get these installed and see how they look. So I'm going to start on the passenger side because this is most difficult to get around the windshield washer reservoir. You could take it out. There's 3 bolts, but I'd rather not take it out. First bulb, there's a clip here. Unhook your clip and your wire to the side. Grab your bulb, twist downwards, and pull out. Now with our glove on, we'll grab our new Auxito LED bulb. Goes in the same way. Find the groove, lock it in. Take your plug, and it's all set. Now we'll get the other bulb that's on the passenger side. You could always just turn the bulb out before you take the wire off. Makes it a little easier. Then unhook your clip from the bulb. Take your new bulb, put your plug back on, and put it in the same way you took it out. And the passenger side is all set. Now we'll go over to the driver's side and repeat the same process. Now the driver's side is a little easier to get to because the bulbs are just right here. My battery is the only thing in the way, but I moved that aside. What we're going to do is just turn your bulb out, squeeze your clip, new bulb, plug it in. So, and then lock it back in place, just like that. Now we'll repeat the same thing for the other bulb. Pull it out, squeeze the clip, new bulb, and locked in. And that's it. As you can see, they're extremely bright. Once it gets dark out, I'll take it for a ride. I wanted to point out that they have fans, but you can barely hear them. You have to get right up on them to hear them. Now here I show you on the left side is the original factory bulbs, and then on the right side is the new LED bulbs. You can clearly see that it is brighter. The left side is yellow. The right side is bright white, making it much more visible to see at night. And these are both set on brights. Now here's a quick example of dims on both sides. Right side LEDs, left side factory bulbs. Alright guys, that's the end of the video. My opinion on the lights, they're extremely bright. I don't know why I waited so long to put them in. I urge you to give it a try. I'll leave a link down in the description, and also a discount code that will take you right to the website of Auxito.com. If you like the video, hit like and subscribe for future videos. Thanks for watching.